Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a drop shadow in Canva. Let's get into it. First, select your item. Move your mouse over to the picture or the text you want to change and click on it once. Look for the purple frame to appear around your item so you know the computer is listening to you. Canva needs to know where to put the shadow. You have to select your item for your project so that the special toolkit for that specific object opens up. Without this step, the computer will just show you general page settings instead of the shadow tools you need today. Next, open the Edit menu. You need to find the special button that lets you change how your item looks and add special effects to it. Look at the white bar above your design and click on the button that says Edit Image or Edit Photo. Wait for the sidebar to open up on the left side of your screen with all the different choices. It takes you into the secret workshop for your pictures. By clicking this button, you are telling the system you want to do more than just change the size. It ensures you have access to the special effects area where the shadow tools are kept. Next, find the Shadows tool. Now you are going to look through the list of effects until you find the one that makes shadows. Scroll down through the list on the left or type the word shadows into the search box. Click on the icon that shows a little shadow and then pick the choice that says Drop Shadow, because this is where the actual effect is added. This tool tells the computer to draw a dark shape behind your item. It is the key step to getting the right output and making your item look like it is sitting in a real room with light hitting it. And that's it. To add a drop shadow in Canva, you must first click on your item to select it. Then, you go to the Edit menu at the top of the screen. Next, you find the Shadows tool and pick the Drop Shadow option. I hope this helped you out and I see you in the next one.